Well, this morning we're going to tell you all about Children's Wish fundraiser, the Princess Tea and Superhero Party. That's coming up later right here on CTV Morning Live.
Good morning, I'm Shazam, Mary Marvel, and you're watching CTV Morning Live.
Welcome back. We're talking princesses and superheroes. Oh my.
Yes, and of course, all in support of a great cause, the Children's Wish Foundation.
Well, today we're at Halifax West High School in the Bellarose Center, and that is because this will be the site of the Children's Wish Princess Tea and Superhero Party. We're going to talk more about that in a little bit, but right now I want to introduce you to John Fleming, who is a volunteer board member with Children's Wish. And we have Mary Callback over here, as well as Leslie Waterman, who are both with Wilson's, and this is Children's Wish Month, Leslie, and you folks at Wilson's have been doing a great job doing some fundraising. Tell us a little bit about what you've been doing.
Thank you. We've been doing Roundup, and last week in all of the Atlantic provinces, we had Roundup and 50/50 tickets. We also are here today to present a check to Children's Wish for $91,299.13.
Wow, that is unbelievable. And knowing what I know about Children's Wish, because I've been involved for a number of years now, that's about 9 wishes right there, isn't it, John Fleming?
Yeah, it is. That's great. That's awesome. Wilson's has been a great supporter over the years, and this is just fantastic.
Yeah, and I mean, it's so important, right? Nonprofit, you got to raise some money, and it's great to have partners like this.
Yeah, for sure. And they always come to the table in all the events of Children's Wish. They've really stepped up, and this is great for us.
All right. Now, speaking of events, at the end of the month, there's a big event happening right here at the Bellarose Center.
Yeah, they're going to have the superhero and tea party here for the kids, and there's events all across the Maritimes with the tea party going on in various spots. So if you want to check out where one in your local area is, check the website, childrenswish.ca.
Childrenswish.ca. Now, what we're going to do is when we come back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Bellarose Center, we're going to do a little obstacle course and have a little bit of fun, and we're going to give you the details on the Princess Tea Party and Superhero Party in support of Children's Wish. Okay, listen, ladies, thank you so much for the donation. John, thanks for doing this. We'll see you back here on stage in just a little bit. That is a big check. That's a big check.
Very generous. I have a question, though, Sarah. You dressed up as a devil?
Well, no, it's kind of like it's supposed to be a superhero costume, but
Right.
I kind of had it on top of my head, made it looked devilish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like
I won't
complete
lie.
with the cape.
With the red cape and the red devil
Yes.
horns. I could
So
see where, that could be.
Who were you supposed to be?
I really don't know who I'm supposed to be. But at the actual event, I'm going to be the king.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to have that a little later on the show, too.
Good morning, this is Star-Lord Peter Quill, and you are watching CTV Morning Live.
Hey, welcome back to the Bell Arts Center here at the Halifax West High School, which is going to be home to the Princess Tea and Superhero Party here in Halifax on March 25th. And there are other ones around the region as well, too. But, Jeanne Shader, this is a big event, isn't it? And Lawton's is behind this year with Lawton's, and you guys are helping out the cause.
Yes, it's a big, big event. Lawton's has been very proud to be part of this event, the presenting sponsor. This is our 12th year, and we're very proud to have donated over $250,000 in the last 12 years. And it's going to be a great event. Everything princessy and superhero. The kids absolutely love it. Sold out event every year.
Yeah, and of course the kids love hal-con, and hal-con has joined us this morning. So we're going to have a little event, and we're going to get our hal-con competitors to introduce themselves because John Fleming and I are going to take them on a little competition. And you are
Shazam.
Shazam, and you are
I'm Captain Marvel.
Captain Marvel. All right, so Captain Marvel and Shazam against John Fleming and I in an obstacle course. Now, keep in mind, this is geared for like 5- and 6-year-olds, but we're going to see if we can pull it off. All right, you guys ready to go? Shazam, will you hold this? Okay, who's going first? You and I. Okay, sure. Shazam and I. Okay, you ready?
Sure.
On your mark, get set, go. Okay, hop. No, you're supposed to hop through the, and then around it.
You said 3 times.
I know, I said 3. No, you gotta move 3 times.
You lead, I'll follow.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. And then you got to do this 5 times. You ready? Okay, go, John, go!
All right, all right.
Okay, hop. Yeah, that's it. Round the big. Okay, do the hula hoop, John. Get the hula hoop, John. Have it. 1, 2. Oh no. Wow.
Good job.
You know what, ladies? Congratulations. Appreciate that, John. Well, we tried, buddy. We tried. We tried to do it. So, John, again, March 25th here in Halifax, but check the website for events around the region, right?
childrenswish.ca. Yes,
All right,
look forward to seeing everybody.
Yeah, absolutely. We got to practice that, I think.
Hello, I'm Fairy Merriweather, and you are watching CTV Morning Live.